Hello and welcome back to Apero with ARC, organized by ICFI Tech's very own alumni relations cell. I, G. Tanisha Krishnan, take immense pleasure in inviting our guest today, Mr. Nitish. Nitish is an entrepreneur and CEO of his own company, Vizile. Vizile is an AI project manager working with agile teams. Welcome, Nitish.
Hey, thanks. Thanks for inviting me.
Thank you so much for being here with us today, especially in the schedules that we've been packed with. So, can you please tell us about the journey that has been transitioned you from being an engineer, a graduate, and then to being a CEO of your own company?
Okay, so it's been a tough ride, I would say. So since I started my undergrad at ICFI Tech, I had been a very enthusiastic person in trying out new technologies. So apart from the coursework, I always used to try to build new stuff, including hardware, software, and then later also trying to transition into AI. So then later I joined in a startup, and then I moved on to work at Siemens Healthineers, and then later I built my first product called as Dialogue Board,
Okay.
and then I built it for a couple of months, and then I got acquired. Later, later my interest towards entrepreneurship has been uh, fueled more because of this achievement, which is small. Now that with that, I started working on Vizile, where we're trying to build a AI project manager for agile teams.
Okay. So, was it a plan to become the CEO coming organically to you, or was it something that has been with you since your childhood?
It's not since childhood. I had this. I would say it's not becoming a CEO, but rather I have this interest towards
Yes.
building new products,
Yes.
ideating them, building prototypes, taking it to the market, building on top of it.
Okay.
So I'm not only focused on working on the technology, but actually making that into a product, and and then obviously it gets out evolved into a startup, and then you have to take up entrepreneurship.
So that's really nice that you've been fueling your passion and working towards what you really find your interests in. So how do you describe your college life as? Your 4 years in ICFI. How do you think that went?
So, okay, so this is also a little interesting. I
Okay.
joined ICFI as a hostler first. I stayed in the hostel for 1.5 years, where I got to experience the hostel life for the first time of my life. It was pretty fun with friends. We used to, I used to get time to study, attend classes, even play sports, work on my own stuff, and then I became a day scholar later. So it was just a usual college life, but some parts which were very interesting to me were I tried to attend hackathons, organize
Great.
events.
Great.
So I even organized a Rubik's Cube competition event
Oh.
in the college as part of TechFest. Yeah, and then due to COVID, I mean, since my
I think
third year,
yeah, third year.
we had to study and stay at home.
Okay.
Yeah, so the final year we couldn't interact much with friends in college.
So were you more into co-curricular or more into academics?
I would say both.
That's
I did
nice.
both of it. So I managed my the
Academic.
academics as well as did the part
Okay.
of this.
Okay.
So I mean, there's plenty of time when I'm
Yeah,
actually in
I
the
get it.
hostel.
I get it.
It's just that you'll have to use it by the way.
So I guess you've enjoyed your hostel life to the fullest, staying like pulling all nighters with your friends and
Yeah,
having fun. in the room.
I did, yeah. So
Any fun incident that you would like to share with us?
okay, I as in we didn't do any mischievous things at least. Just that we used to utilize all of the amenities which were there in the
Okay.
campus. Even roam at the night, and
Oh, okay.
sit on the
Past curfew
cars.
timings or within the curfew timings?
As in the
Like roaming in the campus?
the campus, yeah, within the timings itself,
Okay.
because the security guards
Yeah.
wouldn't allow us to stay beyond a certain
Okay.
time. Yeah, most of the time we used to play basketball, badminton,
Okay.
and then yeah, I even used the music
Oh.
room that was there on
Oh,
campus.
nice.
Yeah.
That's really
Yeah, I even organized uh, the shows, music shows. I was
Okay.
part of the Asitva Music Club where I was the lead guitarist.
Oh, that's really good to know.
Participated in the competitions. Even won the first prize in sweeping.
That's amazing. So you find yourself inclined towards music as well.
Yeah. So initially, yes, and
Okay.
then slowly I got more focused into the academics and the technology
Okay.
aspects.
Okay. We'll cut one second. He's sweating. So I just want to give you a phrase. It's not a phrase actually. So if I tell you a rose, a thorn, and a bud, how would you consider a rose as a positive thing during your journey, a thorn as a challenge that you faced, and a bud that you are looking forward to work with, like something that will grow in future? So what would you describe these things as?
Okay, so the rose would be uh, the first project that I've developed
Okay,
in
yeah.
college.
The bot that you were talking about?
No, so I built a web app
Okay.
in my second year
Okay.
when I actually learned building websites.
Okay.
So with that, I actually got my first internship opportunity at a startup,
Okay.
and then luckily that started my career
That's nice.
as to become a professional, because the company where I joined after my college was the same company where I've done my internship.
Okay.
So that actually paved my way towards understanding how actually startups work.
Okay.
Then a challenge, what I would say is
Any challenge that you faced?
there are many.
One that was most challenging.
I would say the most challenging is I always keep getting ideas.
Okay.
I really wanna, if I have time, I really wanna work on all of them. So out of that, I picked up the chatbot, which I built,
Okay.
the dialogue board. It was pretty challenging because I was the only solo person who
Working on it.
actually
Okay.
ideated it, built the
Okay.
prototype,
Got it.
launched it, did some marketing.
So it was a one-man army, one-man show.
Yeah, it was pretty challenging because I had to learn new technology, which I was not aware of before.
Okay.
So I did it by myself. I learned skills like marketing, sales, how to create content and stuff.
Okay.
That was a challenge, but a lot of learnings.
That is great because you are gaining a lot through your challenges, and that is what is important.
Yeah. So actually, the real learnings would happen when you actually
Face the challenges. True.
And then the part would be so Visile still is at initial stages.
Okay.
So we're building the MVP right now.
Okay.
It's very ambitious. We have bigger goals of trying to really streamline the whole project management space and allow people who are managing projects
That's nice.
effortlessly.
So your journey has been completely. I won't say it has been a walk on cake like that, but you have faced challenges. You have learned a lot through your challenges, and then you built a vision for yourself, a vision for your own company. So that's really good because you've started it all through scratch by yourself, and at your initial years in college itself. So what do you suggest to our students who are right now in their third, fourth years, planning to get into the industry outside, and even if they don't have a vision, is there something you would suggest to them to work on?
All right. So what I would say is always follow your passion. Stuff. So regardless of probably taking up a job, people would be interested in
Yes.
probably music, dance,
Um,
maybe creating content, acting.
Okay.
Just follow your passion, put in the efforts. It's actually risky, but
yes, it is.
keep trying hard. But I would also recommend to have a safety net along the side and
Back.
do it along your safety
Okay.
net and take a chance when you get the opportunity.
That's nice. So, as Nitish has told us, that always follow your passion and just keep driving yourself towards your goal. But not only that, we have to make sure that we also have to have a backup ready with us. So, what do you think was your safety net back then? Was it some-
Yeah. So initially, yeah, the job was my safety net.
Okay.
So I did learn a lot of things
Things.
during my first job,
Okay.
and then all of the safety net was for me was two things.
Okay.
One is obviously finances,
Yes.
and then second is the knowledge that I already have.
Okay.
So once you think that you're good at something, it will obviously give you the confidence on pursuing your passion and taking risks.
That's really nice that you, at such an early age of your life, you had things planned for yourself and you were just driving towards your goal. So I just want, we'll just end this session with you giving an advice to all our youngsters at ICFI Tech, so that the ones who are graduating now, even I'm graduating pretty soon. So what is the one thing that you would, a skill that is currently trending in the market for us to gain more knowledge about?
So since I'm a technology person, I would obviously say try to focus and learn about AI,
Okay.
understand the concepts. So now we are in a generation where it's a new form of internet.
Yes.
So since 2020, we had the SaaS applications coming up.
Yes,
Facebook,
SaaS,
Google, the Netflix was
Yeah.
part of it. Now we are in this new age where we would again see such big companies being formed
Okay.
with AI. So it's gonna be
AI everywhere.
AI everywhere.
Okay.
You're gonna see robots everywhere,
Okay.
and it's a whole new world that's gonna start.
That's great. So we also have a lot of courses on AI in our college. So probably working on them would build our resumes better. So
Yeah.
that's it. So we will now have a fun session with you. I'll be showing you a few. I'll be showing a few papers that have a meaning behind the sentences that are in it.
Okay.
So they are basically going to be a phrase, but hidden phrases, and you have to guess them.
Okay. Yeah. That's right.
I'll be giving you hints if you face any difficulties, but just a fun session.
Okay. Yeah.
So the first one is this one. I'll show it to the
Yeah.
camera as well. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So it's this. Any guesses about what this means? It's actually a phrase.
It's a free.
Yeah.
What is the B and N?
You have to guess. It's a phrase. Like all of these put together come
Okay,
the
okay.
sentence. Any hint?
Any hint?
Yeah. So it's, so when someone is talking and they're not being straight to the point, they usually do this.
Is it behind the bush?
You're very close. Just connect the letters.
Be the bush.
Beat. Okay.
Beating the bush.
No.
Bush
It's like beat is what? I'm actually. I'll give this to you. So you guessed it almost.
Okay.
So it's actually beat around the bush. So they beat
Yeah,
around the bush.
Okay, all right.
So
Okay, that's how.
Yeah. So this is okay. We'll consider this as a trial run. So you got an idea of how to do it, and then so yeah, this is our next one.
Okay.
You can take your time. Any hints, let me know.
Stand by numbers.
There's actually a number missing here
Yeah.
from this one. Which one is it?
One.
Yeah, and then
Stand by one.
no. Okay,
Give me a hint.
I actually gave you. Okay, fine. So the number that I told you, and what is this? Like, what are the numbers?
Divide.
Where are the numbers?
Okay. Denominator.
No, like in the location of the numbers with regard to the word.
Okay. 3, 4, 5.
No, just like, where are the words in this page? On the basis of the words.
Really not sure.
So it's basically no one.
Okay.
And the numbers are under the stands, so no one
Okay.
understands.
Okay. Okay, nice. Cool.
So, okay,
That's it.
we'll put
Great.
that a trial as well. We want our alumnus to win. So, okay, this is very easy.
No secret. Top secret.
Yeah, top secret. You got it right. Our team is very supportive, guys.
Thanks.
Okay, this is, I think you will be able to guess it.
Okay.
So,
1 million.
like a sentence, put it in a sentence.
Million.
No.
10 in a million.
Nah.
1 in a million.
Yeah, 1 in the million.
Oh. Okay, I'm very bad at.
I know, that's absolutely fine. We couldn't guess it at the first two, but we are
Okay.
here to give you hints.
Funny thing is, I used to organize such activities in my office at Siemens.
It's like an idea for you to do it there.
Yeah, but not this time. We used to be with riddles and some
Okay.
bad questions.
Oh, more knowledgeable.
Yeah. But this is fun.
Yeah. So this is
Sunny?
no.
Like,
So
like
this is like a breakfast option that people usually have at cafes. I don't think they have it at homes. It's just the arrangement, like read the word and the arrangement. How is it arranged? Okay, eggs. How do you prefer your eggs to be
eggs with.
for breakfast?
I just eat boiled eggs.
So, like, people usually prefer these type of eggs for breakfast.
Bomb. Scallop.
No.
Side.
Yeah, side. Okay, sunny side eggs. So it's to the
Okay.
side. Sunny side.
I'm not aware of the term. Okay.
Oh, that's okay. Our bad.
Tough questions.
No, they're not tough. They're fun
Okay,
actually.
easy.
Okay. So this
Okay.
is the word.
Language. 4 is in the middle.
You almost guessed it. For
4 in language.
yeah. So put it together.
Foreign language. Foreign language.
Yes, you got it right. We'll put this first. Okay. So I think this is our last one. I hope you get this right.
Okay.
I think you'll get it.
Okay. There's
So
a
it's-
space and a ship.
In a sentence. You're almost there.
It's a spaceship.
Yeah, it's a spaceship. That's like
Oh yeah.
so. There's another round that we will have right now, and it's basically a 60-second story.
Okay.
I will be giving you words, and related to that, you have to tell us a story either from your life or either something that you dream about in future. So let's start from college. So as I told you, you're a hostler. I'm sure you've enjoyed the campus life a lot. Tell us a memory that you have around the Brew Cafe in our college. So Brew Cafe is your word. Any 60-second
Okay.
incident or experience?
100. So Brew Cafe in the college.
Yeah. You didn't have it?
We didn't have it.
Oh, my one.
It's
The
like-
one near the BBA campus.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Got it,
that-
got it. Okay. The small one. Is
Yeah.
between,
It is named as cafe. It is
Right,
just a stall.
Get it. Okay. I went a couple of times.
Okay.
So I got to know that there are a few items that are famous. in The
Okay.
cafe, but unfortunately I couldn't
Right.
even try some items
Okay.
there. But it was nice under the tree.
Under the tree.
Yeah, people used to sit
Yeah.
and have fun.
Oh, I'm guessing. Is there any particular spot you and your friends would hang out usually?
Yeah, yeah.
in college?
So there are a couple of spots,
Okay.
and it depends on the time that we hang out on the campus. So so when the college is about to end, it's the FSC circle and the IB circle.
Got it.
And for the nights, it has to be the caterpillar.
Okay, in the caterpillar.
Yeah, around the caterpillar, we used
Okay.
to take a round. And initially, around FST, it was actually pretty dark.
Yeah.
And it used to be empty, so we used to sit there, have some fun.
Okay.
And there was another road on the backside near the girls' hostel.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Got
There's
it.
also a club house, right?
Yes. Near the football
Backside.
ground. Sorry, the
Behind.
cricket ground.
Yeah, we go from there.
Towards BBA campus. That way.
It's a clubhouse. You'll
Got
have a you have the gym, right?
Yeah, we do have.
Yeah, that road.
Okay, got it.
Yeah,
So that is your spot.
yeah.
Where you guys hang out.
Couple of spots. So that
Okay.
used to be the morning spot. Afternoon
Okay.
spot was the circuit. Evening
Nice.
spot was either the best or the category.
And was there any time where you bunked a lecturer's class and then just bumped into him later that day?
Okay, so not on the same day, but we usually used to bunk classes in a mass.
Okay, mass
So,
bunk.
Yeah, the whole class used to be empty, and we used to stay
nice.
outside the classroom and
Okay.
make sure that no one enters the class.
Okay, kind of like
So
a
if at least one or two
good
guys,
thing.
yeah, if any one or two guys entered the classroom,
Chalo niklo bhai.
all of us would lose attendance.
Oh, so
So, and we used to do this, especially when there's a big movie release.
Got it.
We used to bunk the college and travel, go to a movie
Got it.
theater, watch.
were you more of a backbencher or a frontbencher?
I was a backbench, every time.
Backbencher, but now who became a CEO, so take inspiration. please.
That's funny, no one believes, but I'm a backbench.
Yeah. So we usually get the vibe from a person if the person is a backbencher. Or you mostly give frontbencher vibes.
That's what everyone says, but
Yeah.
all the time it's backbenching. It's actually cool to sit in the back,
Have fun.
have fun. You can also see what everyone
Yeah.
is doing in the classroom.
That is fun to see what any individual is doing in the class.
Yeah, and hide from the professor. We do a lot of fun.
So you were there basic for attendance or पढ़ने के लिए भी?
So, even that is controversial. But
That's okay.
I mean, I did have really good attendance. I
That's good to know.
90% plus.
Even we don't have that kind of attendance.
Yeah, and yeah, I used to attend classes.
Oh, that's nice.
Sometimes my favorite subjects I used to listen.
Any favorite classroom memories being a backbencher? You know, fun that you guys had with lecturers or among students?
Yeah, lecturers as in one incident when we used to actually kind of have a playful conversation with the lecturer
Yeah.
in
I
the
get it.
classroom itself. So I used to be at the back and I used to ask questions and we used to have a conversation from there.
So it is entertaining for the entire
The
class.
rest of the
Yeah.
students, the
Got it.
class.
It's like every student in each class
They're
is
like-
someone.
They used to support me, come on,
Ah.
waste more time so that the
Time passes away and class ho jata
Yeah.
nahi. Even we do have all that sort of things right now. So I think I can make out that you really had a good college life, and now like being a CEO, is it pressure? Like, is it pressuring the transition?
so I would call it as pressure. I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah, that is.
So as I said, right, even though it's hard, if you like what you're doing, you wouldn't find it as a stress or pressure.
Yeah, you'll enjoy doing
You'll enjoy it. So
Yeah.
there are a lot of activities that I do, taking care of the technology. How do I put the brand image out? How do I create the content? Hiring people, managing a team, deciding on the product vision. So, what would be the finding the product market fit, and then probably even finding funding opportunities. So it's very exciting. Definitely it's not a monotonous work.
Yes, definitely.
So I would actually find it pressuring if I work at a company.
As an employee
As
under
an
someone,
employee.
yeah, got it.
So I actually have more freedom
Yes.
working on my own startup.
That is really well said because, as all of us know, that it's not one thing that drives the entire company, but also the many things that go behind the scenes for a company to run successfully. Being the CEO is definitely not an easy job to do, but also managing the entire company and making sure that everyone works towards a positive goal is very important. So I just want to thank you, Nitish, for being here with us today. Thank you so much for guiding and motivating all our students. And we really look forward to having building more connections with you in future as well.
Thanks a lot. It was really great chatting with you.
Thank you.
And thanks to the team for organizing this. Really happy for it.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. I would now like to call Siddharth and Anuya to please present a token of gratitude to Nitish.
Yeah. Yes.